the drone shot. So I'm pretty pleased with this. I just have to say. Turned out very well. Bring you in close here. You can see what you can see. There's a few spots where you can see where the weld was. Right there. See that weld line there? Anyway, that will be taken care of with a little spot putty in this case, I think. I don't think we're gonna have to put any filler really to speak of on this, just a few little pimples here and there, cover up. And then I had to put a piece in right along here. It's the seam in the bottom here. I really don't know what this was supposed to look like. Originally I had a curled up lip here, but I thought, well, that's kind of dumb because it's just a ledge for stuff to sit in. So I just made it flat. There's no lip. Yeah, so anyways, what more can I say? Let's do some more drone footage.